Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. For those of you asking how can you trade forex, how can you trade synthetic indices without losing, already if you check my channel, there are so many free strategy, which is the mobile strategy you can use to scalp the market every day, and I keep telling you guys that this strategy helps you to um, just take make little profit, or definitely gives you opportunity of taking little entries then and exit immediately when you make few profit or few dollars. But if you are interested in making consistent profit, just like what you see, whereby you have assurance of placing a trade and maximize profit and minimizing your losses, then don't hesitate to check out for the millionaire strategy. I stated it in my last video where I talked where my last video titled the ultimate winning strategy for beginners. I told you how you can use it on your mobile phone, how you can use those strategies on your mobile phone. That means it's a software, or how you can get a VPN, then subscribe for VPN, install those software on the VPN using your mobile phone. So even without having a laptop, it doesn't stop you from using it. So, and I told you that it works. The accuracy is very high. It's very simple to understand. In as much as you are ready to understand it, it doesn't take longer time. Whereby all I teach there is how you can track good entry and good exit, so that you stop losing all your money trading forex or synthetic indices the wrong way. Majority of you, the reason why you're losing today is because you don't have a good strategy in place. So when you get that millionaire strategy, I so much have confidence that in a short while you will definitely be seeing results, because everything is stated clearly, and I always guide those who subscribe for the strategy. I don't just give you strategy and let you go, or probably don't check on you. No, those of them who are subscribed to my strategy, they can testify that even if they don't chat me, I chat them asking how far they've gone, then trying to know where they are, how far they've understand the strategy. Then if they have areas of maybe difficulty, then I put them through either through video explanation, or definitely giving them all the guidelines necessary. So that being said, today this is part of the result of the strategy. This is how we make the market. Yes, even though we lose, probably our losses is not much. Anytime we lose, we don't lose our account totally. No, it's a taboo. And whenever we lose, there's always high probability that in our next entry we are going to recover and make more profit, and that is how trading ought to be. So if you are new to my channel and you've not watched videos regarding the strategy, you can check, and my number is always in the description below. Chat me up to get this strategy. Now today we'll be talking about how you can trade a mobile strategy on forex. The last time I did video um, was some on synthetic indices. So today's video, you can also apply the strategy on synthetic indices, on crypto, but make sure you backtest it before going live with it. So I just want to update you guys that there's a good strategy in place. Now I'm going to switch to my currency account, then I will show you the strategy, show you the settings on how you can leverage on forex pairs. And don't forget that in forex trading, you must be conversant with the economic calendar so that you don't get hit by the news unaware. Exactly. So that being said, let's dive into our forex chart. Okay, now here is it on the uh, good, because I notice majority of my forex traders are gold traders, and which is a very good one. When you have a good strategy, you definitely make gold. Please, if you are using this mobile strategy and you are new to the platform, only leverage when the conditions are met. And please watch this video to the end so that you can understand the strategy properly. Exactly. Make sure you watch it so that you can understand the strategy properly. Now when you look at the main chart, we have just two indicators, while in the window one we have just two indicators as well. Now this strategy is based on identifying when price is definitely going to go towards your favor and what you should focus on. Exactly. When price is going to go to your favor and what you should focus on, I'm going to give you what you should be expecting for buy and for sell. Now let's start with the buy condition. In the buy condition, you can use any time frame, but I prefer using time frame from 15 minutes and above. Exactly. And don't forget that I told you that this is a scalping strategy. So since it's a scalping strategy, leverage on it when the conditions are met. And once the conditions are off, definitely make sure you exit the market immediately. Now the first condition is this. This first condition is you will check your main charts. What we want to see in our main chart is we want to see price crossing above this line. Yeah, that line is a Bollinger Band line. Then when price cross, what you will notice next is you are going to notice that this little red line, I'm going to change the color as time goes on. This little red line is also going to cross, or probably just wait for this little red line to cross, and when it cross, check your window one. What you should expect this green line to cross above the purple line. So when it cross now, there is high tendency. We are dealing with volume and support. This strategy is mainly for volume and area of support, and the volume is in your window one. It's also in your window two when price crosses above the Bollinger Band. And when the green line crosses above the purple line, you see the purple line now takes cover. It now covers the green line, indicating that it is what pushing price towards the upside. Exactly. It is pushing price towards the upside. And again, that blue purple line stands for support. It's telling you that for price to break through, it's definitely going to be a bit difficult. So when you open your buy, definitely you have to use the swing low as your stop loss. But this is gold, and gold is very volatile. So the main thing is just wait for this condition to take place. When they take place simultaneously, open, and you will be able to scalp the market and make profit before price definitely change or go towards the opposite direction. We are going to backtest it right here on the chart. I'm going to show you the previous samples we have. But what I would love you to do is when you are doing this, make sure you shift the chart. Make sure that your purple line is around this level 20 and level 10. When it's around that axis, it tells you that there is high tendency of price moving towards the upside. So all you just do is just give price the ability to cross over. When it cross over, you'll be able to enter your trade. Now, like on this 30-minute time frame, for those of you who understand the basic concept of Forex, you should know that price has changed character. Let me show you what I mean by change of character. This was the last high before price went low and gave us a deep down move. Now what happened? Immediately this price crossed above, you should know that you don't need somebody to tell you that there's a break of structure here, bullish break of structure. So the reversal you saw, which is this one, is just price coming back to this other block, bullish other block, which is here, because that was the bearish candle that led to the break of structure towards the upside. Its price just tapped in, and the next thing, price start buying. So that is why I keep saying that you should wait for price to break above, like what we have here. Immediately price break above this, there's high tendency that price will not come down to this part anymore. That means the green line will not come back. I'm not saying it's not going to come back, but before it come back, you must have you must have definitely benefit from it, except probably you are holding for too long. That is when price will go against you. Exactly. So always apply the principle. Don't open too many trades and backtest it so that you should be confident when you are taking your trade. Exactly. It is a scalping strategy and it works very effectively. So these lines you see here, this purple line is the one that's going to give you signal. Immediately the green line crosses, most usually in the bottom or in the upper part, which is the level 90 and level 80, it is telling you probably price is about to pull back or price is trying to change direction totally. So this is when you come in. Exactly, guys. This is when you come in to scalp. It works on all currency, but being the fact that I have more of the gold traders in my channel, that is why I'm using it. And this is a scenario of where we have sell situation. Can you see? Immediately that green line crosses it, the next thing you see is price will keep going towards the downside. Any pullback that is coming up, in as much as that purple line has not changed its direction and price has not gotten to our area of buy, which is the level 10 and level 20, definitely we keep holding and milking the market. So that is why I say you should always wait for this conference to happen around the 80 and 90 for sell, then 20 and 10 for buy. Exactly. What you will notice is that the green line, which is the moving average, will be the one to first hit the level 90. It is on the return now that is going to cross below the purple line. And when you check your chart, you will see that at that moment, price has crossed below your Bollinger Band. And then we have the cross of the moving average and the Bollinger Band towards the downside, telling you you can take a sell opportunity at that particular time. Please, if you are new, every strategy here you need to backtest it for benefit of mastering it. Because if you don't backtest it, there's high probability that you might be doing it the wrong way. Exactly, you might be doing it the wrong way. So please make sure you backtest the strategy. You can use you can even use it on synthetic indices, the volatilities and the boom and crash. So, but for the forex traders, you can leverage on it more on any of these pair we have here. Exactly, guys. No matter what, price will always go towards the upside in as much as the whole conditions are met at the areas of interest. Exactly. Now, let me show you the settings. For you to add this indicator to your chart, you click on this icon here, you go to your chart, then you add the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band should have a period of 10. The deviation should be 0.010. Shift should be 0, then apply to close. Then you click on OK. Exactly. You click on OK or save or done. Then the next indicator to add is the moving average with a period of 7. Exponential is the method. Typical price, apply to typical price. I have to change this color to green initially. Then your window 1, you go to your what is it called? You go to your F plus sign. Under oscillator, you have your RSI. Once you click on it, we are only using the level. Let it be on period 1. Then the level should be 90, 20, 50, 10, and 80. The 50 there is your TP. So when price has given you this condition, immediately the green line is getting to your 50 level, you can close the trade. So that probably if it's going to make a reversal, don't be affected with it. Then you click save. Then you add your second indicator, which is the Ichimoku. In your window 1, you should have a period of 9 7. Then the Kejun Sen should be 21. We are using 21 of the Kejun Sen, 52 of the second span B. Don't feel. Others should be in your background color. Only the Kejun Sen should be on the purple color or whichever color. Exactly. It shows momentum and it also shows you areas of support and resistance being broken at some point. Then lastly, envelope, period of 7, shift 0, deviation 0.00, exponential, then apply to typical price. The upper band and the lower band should be the same color. Exactly. Then you click on save. So at the end of the day, we'll have this kind of scenario we got here. Exactly. You have this kind of a scenario. So please don't forget that you should always do what? Always let the condition meet. Always allow the condition to meet. Exactly. Always allow the condition to meet before you exit the trade. Now, if you have taken this one, like I told you on now that this part, the level 50 is what? First TP. If you had entered your trade at this point, you will have been able to make it up to the level 50 before that pullback. And you notice that when the pullback came, it didn't break it, telling you that there's still high probability of price going up because it is on the support zone. That area is support. That is what when the purple line is telling you. And what do we see next? Price later went up, creating higher high. So whichever method you are going to, whichever pairs you are going to be using on, make sure you backtest it on your practice account before you go live. Is that clear, guys? And if you are interested in the millionaire strategy, which has high accuracy, you know, this mobile strategy, you can't really see the big picture of the market. You can't really tell what is happening. You don't really have that sure assurance of this area that you're taking your entry, if it is accurate or not. But with the millionaire strategy, everything is covered. So if you need the millionaire strategy for consistent winning and for long time forex trading or whichever pair you are trading, then don't hesitate to chat me via my WhatsApp number. Check the description below. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, share, and then let me know your opinion after backtesting this strategy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.